The quest to shed those pesky extra pounds, particularly from the belly area, is a common goal for many. While a balanced diet and regular exercise are essential, incorporating certain foods and drinks into your routine can give your fat-burning efforts a boost. Enter the almighty smoothie. These nutritious beverages are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, making it easy to pack in the right ingredients to target belly fat. In this blog post, we'll be diving into the 7 best smoothies to help you burn belly fat effectively. 1. The Green Goddess Smoothie. The Green Goddess is a vibrant, nutrient-packed smoothie that combines the powerhouse trio of spinach, banana, and avocado. Spinach is a great source of fiber and vitamins that aid digestion, while the banana adds natural sweetness and potassium to regulate blood pressure. The avocado, with its healthy fats, not only makes the smoothie creamy but also helps keep you feeling full longer. Add some almond milk for a hint of nutty flavor and a dose of calcium, and blend in some chia seeds for an extra fiber and omega-3 kick. 2. The Blueberry Blitz Smoothie. Blueberries are a superfood that's low in calories and high in antioxidants, making them a perfect ingredient for a belly fat-busting smoothie. This smoothie also features yogurt for protein and probiotics, which are good for gut health and can help with weight loss. Add a scoop of protein powder for an extra dose of lean muscle-building power and a teaspoon of cinnamon to stabilize blood sugar levels. Blend with almond milk or water, and you've got yourself a refreshing and satisfying smoothie that will keep cravings at bay. 3. The Pineapple Mint Slimmer. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down protein and aids in digestion, which can help with bloating. Mint is a natural appetite suppressant and adds a fresh twist to this tropical delight. This smoothie combines pineapple, mint, low-fat Greek yogurt, and a handful of spinach for a well-rounded blend of nutrients. Don't forget the ice to keep it chilly and enjoy as a mid-afternoon snack or post-workout treat. 4. The Strawberry Banana Detox Smoothie. This classic combination is a favorite for a reason. Strawberries and bananas are both high in fiber and potassium, which can help with water retention and overall weight loss. Add some unsweetened Greek yogurt for protein and a dash of cayenne pepper for a metabolism boost. The natural sweetness of the fruit means you won't miss added sugars, and the hint of heat from the cayenne will keep things interesting. 5. The Raspberry Ripple Smoothie. Raspberries are high in fiber and antioxidants, making them a great choice for a belly-slimming smoothie. This recipe combines frozen raspberries with low-fat milk, Greek yogurt, and a scoop of vanilla protein powder for a well-rounded breakfast or snack. The fiber will fill you up, and the protein will ensure you don't feel hungry for hours. Don't forget to add a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra nutrient boost and to keep you feeling full. 6. The Chocolate Almond Dream Smoothie. Who said you can't indulge and still be healthy? This smoothie is made with unsweetened almond milk, cocoa powder, a banana, and a handful of almonds. The banana provides natural sweetness and potassium, while the cocoa is rich in antioxidants that can help reduce belly fat. The almonds add a satisfying crunch and healthy fats to keep your metabolism firing. This smoothie is a decadent yet guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth while working towards your weight loss goals. 7. The Spicy Ginger Smoothie. Ginger is a well-known digestive aid and has been shown to boost metabolism and reduce inflammation. This spicy smoothie combines ginger with pineapple, banana, and low-fat coconut milk for a tropical twist. The pineapple and banana provide sweetness and natural sugars, while the coconut milk adds a rich, creamy texture. A pinch of cayenne pepper can also be added for an extra metabolism kick. Incorporating these smoothies into your diet can be a delicious way to support your belly fat loss journey. Remember, while they can be a helpful addition to a balanced diet and active lifestyle, they are not a magic bullet. Consistency in making healthy choices and a commitment to regular physical activity will yield the best long-term results. How to make the perfect fat-burning smoothie. 1. Choose the right base. Opt for low-sugar, high-fiber options like almond milk, coconut water, or low-fat Greek yogurt. 2. Add fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. Include ingredients like berries, bananas, spinach, and kale to keep you full and promote healthy digestion. 3. Incorporate protein. Add a scoop of protein powder or use Greek yogurt to help build lean muscle and keep you satisfied. 4. Include healthy fats. Avocado, almond butter, and chia seeds can provide essential fats that support weight loss and keep you feeling full. 5. Spice it up. Add metabolism-boosting spices like cinnamon, cayenne pepper, or ginger for an extra fat-burning boost. 6. Keep it low in sugar. Use natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup sparingly, or opt for sugar-free options like stevia. 7. Portion control. While smoothies are a great meal or snack replacement, don't go overboard. 7. Aim for 12 to 16 ounces for a meal and 8 to 12 ounces for a snack. The science behind belly fat-burning smoothies. These smoothies are designed to be nutrient-dense and low in calories, which helps create a calorie deficit that's essential for weight loss. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats in these recipes can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack on high-calorie, processed foods. Additionally, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of the fruits and spices can support overall health and aid in the fat-burning process. In conclusion, the top 7 best smoothies to burn belly fat are the Green Goddess, the Blueberry Blitz, the Pineapple Mint Slimmer, the Strawberry Banana Detox, the Raspberry Ripple, the Chocolate Almond Dream, and the Spicy Ginger. Each smoothie offers a unique blend of ingredients that work together to boost your metabolism, keep you full, and support your body's natural fat-burning capabilities. Remember, a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise and a balanced diet is the key to sustainable weight loss. Cheers to sipping your way to a flatter belly.